Hi, Dennis here from the salad table once again. I'm here to show you how to put the VerTable together. That's our vertical salad table. Alright, the whole kit comes with everything that you need to start growing very, very quick. First of all, what you need to do is get your 2 lengths of frame out and then your other 2 cross lengths of frame out. Grab the one with the salad table sticker on it and pop it on, making sure that when you put it on, it points to the front of the salad table. You'll soon see what that looks like. You can pop it on, or you can hit it with a rubber mallet or anything, but it doesn't matter. We'll pop them on there. Then we'll get our other piece. Place that on there as well. And there we have our frame. Alright, just leave the frame up against the wall, or it's freestanding, so it doesn't matter. Alright, next what we want to do is make sure that we put all these bolts here. Come over here, Kelsey. We want to make sure that we put the bolts and the nuts on the bottom, bolts on top, in the back. Not in the front, but in the back. And then we'll grab our, I'll get this, our top channel. Our top channel has our feeder pipe in there. Making sure that the lid has the shorter end, not the longer end. So shorter end at the feeder pipe. And if you come over here, Curls, what we're going to do is place it onto the top, and then we just need to put the lip back underneath there, the lip back underneath there, and pop that down. Okay, what you need to do, once we've got all 4 channels on, so we'll pop the last one in here, making sure that the lip is stuck under the bolt at the back. We then get our bolts at the front. Remember the nut must be at the bottom. Alright, what we can do then is grab our screwdriver and just go around, centralise each one, get them about where it should be about centre, just slide them, nice and easy to move there, and then just go around and tighten up each nut and bolt there on the front and on the back as well. Once the screws are all tight, we can then remove our lids and just place them behind the channel. Once all the lids are removed, starting from the top, grab your 2 90-degree angles with the PVC pipe in between. Come along here and just place them straight on the ends of the end cap. Now just grab a couple of fingers on the outside, maybe your thumbs, and a couple of fingers on the inside, and just push them on till they seat, and just be very gentle with these. Once the ends are seated, replace your lids. Attach the feed pipe, male and female fitting. Bottom of the feed pipe then goes onto your pump. Pump into the bin. And then what you want is your feed pipe, your power lead, and your outlet tube. Setting all. There. Okay, once everything is connected up now, it's time to put your water in the drum. 150 ml of A and 150 ml of B. And we also supply your grow cubes, instructions, and seeds, so you can start growing your own seedlings. Alright, if you have any drummers, give us a yell at Denis@thesaladtable.com.au or visit our website.